they exactly do. All I was told is that you coordinate and you have to work closely with the PPB. So then I happened to meet David in the YPG and conferences, and he also runs a youth networks program. So we had a meeting there, and he told me that they offer regulatory courses. So I joined into that course, and today I could officially say that graduating from that course has allowed me to use those skills into my work regularly. As Dr. Eva has said, before you used to take files to PPB, but now it's all electronic, except the fact that you pay more money to register your product as before. But and it's increasing, I hear. But so that's one thing I fail to understand. As much as we are promoting local manufacturing, we are also increasing the prices of our cost to register our products. So I think that's one thing maybe the Pharmacy and Poisons Board need to look back and think that why are they doing that? And you should rather increase your charges on the imports you're bringing in. So increase the fees on that, and that will reduce the imports, and that will also encourage local manufacturers to register more products day by day. And where I happen to work at TASA Pharma, as I mentioned, it's the East and Central Africa's only sterile manufacturing unit as of today. And they also have got the license and the go-ahead from the London School of Tropical Diseases. They've got a funding of about £30 million to develop a facility in Nairobi. So that is going to be producing malaria vaccines in the next 1 or 2 years. So I think that's a big growth for Kenya, and these vaccines will be exported out of the country as well. Like our doc mentioned, they can manufacture it tonight, and tomorrow morning it's in the US, thanks to Kenya Airways flying directly to New York. So, yeah. So I've learned a lot. I've learned how to prepare dossiers. I already prepared dossiers. I've prepared already about 3 or 4 dossiers for the company. Apart from that, the course has allowed me to analyze real-world case studies, quality assurance, updates, stay informed about different regulations changing every day, understand ethical aspects of regulatory affairs and their compliance, submission, understand regulation governing your industry and our region. So yeah, APN has been great for me, and I would recommend even if you don't intend to work in the regulatory field, I feel like let's go into university students, let's encourage them to join this course, because in school we don't learn this, and you never know, you might just find a job like me 2 years down the line in regulatory, but you don't know anything about it. So this way you'll be able to learn more. And I think, David, let's speak to universities, let's encourage bringing this into the programs. And secondly, I would like to just say that let's have physical programs more than online. For me personally, I wasn't a good student online. As we all know how that went. The pandemic 2 years was quite difficult for me to stay focused. So also in APN classes, I might have not got 100% of what you taught, but at least I can watch your recordings and I've got on par. But if it was a physical class, I think I would have learned more and it would have been more beneficial for me. So I feel if we can find a room or like a location or office site, these days there's quite a few available where you can just hire. So we can have maybe even Saturday evening classes or Sunday evening or whatever is convenient for the cohort, because weekdays most of us work. So I feel let's do physical classes from cohort 3, I hope. And let's encourage more university students to join, because in terms of university degree, we are not taught on regulatory affairs at all. And I feel it's a profession which will be needed more now as we go into the manufacturing and level 3. Yeah. Thank you.